Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of DeskDirector's many features in about a minute. This week, we will talk about how to set up DeskDirector Chat globally. To enable chat permissions globally, begin by logging into your admin console. Once logged in, go to Portal and then select Global Settings. In the Global Settings page, click on the Feature Permissions tab. Here, you'll find a list of different features, including chat. Simply check the box next to Chat to enable it across your organization. After that, don't forget to click Save to apply the settings and activate the chat feature for all users. To enable or disable the pre-ticket chat feature globally, start by logging into your admin console. From the main menu, navigate to Portal and then Global Settings. Once you're in Global Settings, click on Feature Flags. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Disable Pre-Ticket Chat. To disable pre-ticket chat, simply check this box. To enable it, uncheck the box. Don't forget to save your changes to apply the new settings. To enable or disable the chat callback feature globally, log into your admin console and navigate to Portal and then Global Settings. Once you're in Global Settings, click on Feature Flags. In this section, you'll find an option labeled Disable Chat Callbacks. To enable chat callbacks, uncheck the box. To disable them, check the box. Make sure to save your changes to apply the new settings. That is how you set up DeskDirector Chat globally. Thank you for joining today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.